And now, we're back to cooking with grandson. Don't give me that look. How dare you give me that look? I am your elder.
Okay. Are you sick and tired of always eating lame foods that everybody else says is good? Look, hey, listen. If you're sick and tired of going to the doctor every single time and having a doctor tell you, oh, stop eating ice cream, this is the right video for you to be at. All right, so let me show y'all what I'm working with here. Of course, we got the yogurt, Fairlife milk, 50% more protein, lower sugar, lower fat, imitation vanilla, and of course, you cannot have McFlurries without the Oreos. This is not some light Oreos, some sugar-free Oreos. We're not doing that. Listen, we're just gonna get one serving of Oreos with this. One serving of Oreos is 3 cookies, 160 calories. We got the good old blender to make our ice cream. But look at this. Man, this knife right here, these blades, they're the sharpest blades I've ever touched. I'm gonna link this blender. This blender was very affordable and it's very good. I've had it for at least a year, still running great. We're gonna start with 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Plain Greek yogurt, can you see that? Greek non-fat plain yogurt. This is gonna weigh to about 255 grams. So we're gonna put that much in here. As you can see, it doesn't even look like that much. Next, we're gonna put some whey protein. What we're gonna do here actually is we're not gonna use the whole scoop because I don't want too much vanilla taste. This is vanilla whey protein. You can get some tasteless whey protein, then you can add some sweetener to it. But for me, I'm just gonna use vanilla whey protein. I'm trying to get a vanilla taste out of this. But I'm just gonna put half a cup. Half a cup is gonna be good enough. Bam. Now, we're just gonna put some of this vanilla extract inside of here. Just a little bit, don't put too much or it's gonna be too vanilla-y. Is that even a word? It's gonna have too much of vanilla taste if we put too much of that in there. Last but not least, we're gonna do the Fairlife milk. Just dump some of that milk in here. We're gonna put maybe 1/4 cup into here. If we need to, we can always add more. I know everybody's excited for the Oreos. Not gonna put the Oreos in yet. We're gonna do that last. Look at that in there. Don't zoom in on the whey protein. Zoom in on the blender. Look at that right there. Oh man, look at this. I forgot to put the blade in there. Nah, I'm just playing. I didn't hurt myself. Let's go ahead and put the blade in here so it can actually blend, right? Hey, actually, it's fun when the blender's on because I could curse everybody out and you can't even hear what I'm saying. Watch this. Look at that. What I'm looking for is kind of a creamy texture. And that's exactly what I got. Check it out. Check this out. Look at that pour in there. It's creamy. Look at that. Oh man, this smells like vanilla. Man, let me get some of this ice cream right now. I don't want to put this in the freezer and wait. What I usually do is I crunch up like 1 or 2 cookies, put it in the freezer for a while. And then when it freezes, they'll mix it and I'll crush up 1 more Oreo cookie. I got 2 Oreo cookies. I got 1.5 Oreo cookies. Right now it's in the freezer. And check out mine from that I made before. See, I'm just gonna get some ice cream from this side. Oop, oop. Like so. Look at that. Whoa. Oh, wait, hold up. I'm not having a diabetes attack. McDonald's. I'm sorry, McDonald's. Look at that. Wait. I'm not having a diabetes attack or anything like that. I'm not getting diabetes. Yeah, man, that's so good, man. And guess what? Nothing but protein for the game. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my ice cream, and I might have another one later. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Peace.